In Indian cuisine, one ingredient ties everything together: the humble lentil, or dal. Dal is more than food. It's comfort, hospitality, and a daily ritual for millions. The simmer of dal is a sound of home, from grand palaces to modest kitchens. Lentils are a cornerstone of the Indian diet, providing essential protein in a mostly vegetarian culture. Sharing dal and rice is an act of community, a gesture of welcome, and a source of comfort. Each region tells its own story through dal, with unique spices and preparations. When families migrated, they carried dal as a piece of home, preserving tradition wherever they went. Lentils transform with just a few spices, becoming soups, curries, flours, or snacks. Each type has its own texture and character, making Indian dals a treasure trove for cooks. Exploring dal is a culinary adventure, one that connects generations and cultures. Let's dive into the world of Indian lentils together. To understand Indian lentils, meet the key varieties. Tur dal, or split pigeon peas, is creamy and mild, perfect for everyday dal and South Indian sambar. Masoor dal, the quick-cooking red lentil, turns silky and is ideal for fast, comforting meals. Chana dal, split chickpeas, are hearty and nutty, great for dishes needing texture or for grinding into besan flour. Besan is the base for snacks like pakoras and savory pancakes. Moong dal comes whole or split. Yellow moong is light and easy to digest, starring in khichdi. Whole green moong is often sprouted for salads or cooked into curries. Each dal brings its own flavor and use, making them staples in every Indian kitchen. With just a few types, you can create endless dishes. These lentils are the building blocks of Indian home cooking. Lentils are the heartbeat of daily Indian meals. Dal with rice or roti is the classic comfort food. A simple tadka, spices sizzled in oil, transforms basic dal into something special. On festive days, dal becomes luxurious. Dal makhani, slow-cooked with butter and cream, is a Punjabi favorite at celebrations. Lentils also play a role in religious rituals. Yellow moong dal is considered pure and used in temple offerings and fasting dishes like khichdi. Beyond main courses, lentils shine in snacks and sweets. Besan for pakoras and chila, moong dal for rich halwa. Their versatility means lentils can be the star of any course, from appetizer to dessert. Whether simple or elaborate, dal connects food, faith, and family. Every meal with dal is a celebration of tradition. That's the magic of Indian lentils. Lentils aren't just delicious. They're a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with plant-based protein, they're vital for vegetarians and anyone seeking healthy meals. High in fiber, lentils support digestion, regulate blood sugar, and help lower cholesterol. They're rich in iron, folate, magnesium, and potassium, key nutrients for energy and heart health. Naturally low in fat and sodium, lentils are ideal for weight management and overall wellness. Eating lentils is like taking a natural multivitamin, nourishing body and mind. Their health benefits make them a true superfood. The humble dal is proof that the simplest foods can be the most powerful. Indian lentil dishes are as diverse as the country itself. Sambar, made with tur dal and vegetables, is a South Indian staple, tangy, spicy, and hearty. Khichdi, a soothing mix of rice and moong dal, is comfort food for all ages. Dal tadka, with its sizzling spice tempering, is a North Indian classic found everywhere. These dishes show how lentils can be simple or spectacular, always nourishing. Cooking dal is joining a tradition that spans centuries and continents. Visit your local grocer, pick up some dal, and bring the warmth of India into your kitchen. Your taste buds and your soul will thank you.